Hi children, good morning to all. Welcome back to our ITA class. Today we are discussing about Inkscape software. From the last class we learned the types of image files and what are the different features of that. Then today we are understanding about the different tools included in this Inkscape and how to open that software, etc. Application, graphics, Inkscape vector graphics. That is a method to open Inkscape software. And we know that this is a graphic software. So understand the different tools and also the menu options. See, file, edit, view, layer, object, path, text, filters, extensions, help, etc. are the menu options. And below of that here we can see the standard toolbar. And in the left of the screen here is the tools that are included in Inkscape software. Then see the first tool, that is select and transform objects. That is the selection tool. To get the selection tool, if we press F1, then also we get. The next is edit path by node. Node means this in that tool itself we can see some dots, that is called nodes. Okay, F2 is the function key to select that tool. Okay, and these all tools no need of us, some only we need, so that only we are learning here. The next is a rectangle tool or square tool. To create rectangles and squares we are using this, the same tool, that is the function key is F4. And to create a 3D box we can use this tool, that is 3D effect square. Then circle tool, circles, to draw circles, ellipse and arcs. Okay. Then create stars and polygon. This star or polygon tool is used to create different polygon shapes. And draw Bezier curve, we can use this tool. Then draw calligraphic or brush strokes. Then text tool, A, to create and edit text objects. These are the different tools available in this, different important tools available in this Inkscape. So you have to draw these tools, these important tools in your practical workbook, activity section 1. Okay, the previous notes are written in the theory book. From this onwards we are writing in the activity book. So the first activity, you know how to write the activity, that format also I told you. In the previous year we have experience how to write the activity book, so no need to explain it again. Keep it neatly. Then no need to write the index column in from the first page onwards. You leave that first page and take the next page, next blank page, and draw the and write the index. For when we are writing each activity, that activity name and its details should be right in the index column. Okay, then draw each tool, selection tool, then edit path by node tool, then rectangle and squares, then circles, etc. All these tools you draw and write its name clearly. Then with that you write the function key, or is there any shortcut key, that also you have to write. Okay, then the other things we have to learn from this. This is the page border. This is the page border, means this is the limit in, or this is the canvas. Okay, in this canvas only we are creating the works. We can do anywhere, but after finishing the, or after creating it, we have to keep it with this canvas. Within the canvas, that work only visible work, means നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന വർക്ക് ഈ ക്യാൻവാസിനകത്തുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ നമ്മൾ സേവ് ചെയ്താൽ അത് ഒരു കംപ്ലീറ്റ് വർക്കായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ഹിയർ ഈസ് കളർ പാലറ്റ്. And here one more toolbar is there. What will be that? That is the tool control box. Tool control box means when we are selecting a tool from the tool window. I am selecting now the circle. See the changes here. Start and end values are 0. Then if I am drawing a circle here, that's a complete circle, because here is the starting and ending value is 0 only. If the value is changing here, I am changing it as 180. 180 means that should be a half circle. Okay, then press enter key, the shape will be a semicircle. Okay, so this bar is called, or this is the tool control box. Okay, and if we click on this circle, then we get the semicircle. Then that means the selection should be there. Selection, if there is a selection, then only we can change that. Then either we can change from this box, or we can select from this. Okay, one more important window is here. That is the fill and stroke window. That also we are understanding today. To get the fill and stroke window, click on object menu, then fill and stroke. Shift Control F. That is a shortcut key for fill and stroke window. Here is the fill and stroke window. What is a fill and stroke? That means the options relating with this filling an object. Okay, and stroke means the outline of the figure. Okay, then here we can use different methods to fill a figure. That is flat color, then no paint, flat color, linear gradient, radial gradient. These are the important options we are studying with this lesson. No paint, if we no need any color with this figure or object, we can use this into mark. And if we need a plain color only, flat color we can use. And linear gradient means the mixed color in the linear style. And radial style or radial gradient means in a circle we need the color as a radial type. Look, I am selecting another color here, then just apply this radial gradient. See, this is radial gradient. Okay, then linear gradient means this one, flat color. Okay, and here blur percentage also is here, means we can make the object as fade. If we are increasing the blur percentage, we can make the figure fade. Then opacity means the color opacity 100 will be there. Then if we change this opacity to then see the difference. Okay, that is the opacity. And blur also, let us see, blur, this blur percentage is increasing, this will happen. Okay, these are the different important matters we have to learn in this Inkscape. Okay, and the important activities we can study in the next class. Okay, thank you.